The 2009 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, running boards, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, HomeLink garage door opener, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.